Hi friends, now we are going to see the problems based on circular seating arrangement. Okay, circular seating arrangement, circular seating circular seating arrangement. Here, the first question is see in a seating arrangement. First one A, B, C, D, E, F, and G are sitting around a circle are sitting sitting around a circle and are facing and all are facing center. Sitting around a circle, all are facing center, and sitting around a circle and all are facing center. Now G is second to the left of C. Now see here, the conclusions given here is G is second to the left of C. G is second to the left of C. Who is the immediate left of F? Who is the immediate left of F? Who is the immediate left of F? Now A is third to the left of E. Now second conclusion is A is third to the left of E. Third to the left of E. B is between D and E. B is between D and E. B is between D and E. Now see here, these are the conclusions. Now see the questions here. Now see the first question here. Which of the following is false? In these statements, which of the following is false? A is fourth to the right of option A is fourth to the right of E. F is third to the right of B. F is third to the right of T. F is third to the right of T. Now second question is which is true? Which of the following is true? Which is true? Okay. Which is true? Then A is true? C is fourth to the left of B. C is fourth to the left of B. C is fourth to the left of B. A is the immediate right of G. A is the immediate right of G. A is the immediate right of G. Now the final question here is third question. The remaining has the middle person sitting between remaining two. Middle person sitting between remaining two. First option here is DEB. Second option here is GDB. These are the options. Okay. Now first option is DEB and second option is GDB. Now we have to find out which of the following is correct statement here. Okay. See here, A, B, C, D, E, F and G are sitting around a circle and all are facing center. So that let's draw a diagram here. Set all are facing center. Okay. A, B, C, D, E and F. Total there are 7 people sitting around a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 people sitting around a circle and facing towards center. These are facing towards the center. Okay. These all are facing towards the center. These all are facing towards the center. Now see here, G is second to the left of C, who is the immediate left of C. Now we don't have any option here. Let us assume G is second to the left of C. Left of C means let us assume C here. Let us assume C here, who is the immediate left of F. Who is the immediate left of F. Now G is second to the left of C. It is G is second to the left of C. See here we have taken ఇక్కడ C తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇదేమో రైట్ సైడ్ అవుతుంది, ఇదేమో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ అవుతుంది. Now it is the right side, it is the left of C. Now G is second to the left. G is second to the left means it is the first term and this is the second term. Now here G is the second to the left of C. We got G here second to the left of C. Then who is the immediate left of F? Then C is the immediate left of F. ఇక్కడ C is the immediate left of F. ఇక్కడ ఎఫ్కి ఏమంటున్నాడు అంటే ఎఫ్కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్లో సి ఉందని అంటున్నాడు. సి హియర్ సి ఈజ్ ద ఇమీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్. సి హియర్ given clearly who is the immediate left of f. C is the immediate left of f. Then f కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్లో సి ఉన్నట్టు అర్థం. ఓకే. నౌ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ హియర్ ఎఫ్కి ఇది రైట్ సైడ్, ఇది లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. Now who is the immediate left of f? Now C is the immediate left of f. Now we got the here value as C. Now see next option, A is third to the right of E. A is third to the right of E. Now see A is the here A is placed right side of E. A is third to the right of E. Now see for E, let us assume here, take E here. If we take E here, then it should be the E here means it is right side, it is left side. If we take E here, then A is the third to the left. For it here it is right. Now here it is left. If we suppose if we take E here, A should be the left side. Okay, it is right side, it is left side. 1, 2, 3. No, here E doesn't satisfy. E doesn't satisfy here. Suppose we take E here. Now A is third left to the E. Now suppose if you take E here, now see 1, 2, 3. No, here also already value is existing, so that E doesn't satisfy here. Suppose if you take E here, see here 1, 2, 3. Here the value may satisfy. Okay, so here we will get A. It is the right side, it is the left side. Okay, let us assume we have taken E here. Again another option here. If you take E here, it is the right side, it is the left side. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. Okay, then here also we can take E. Okay, it is the left side, it is the right side. Okay, from here also we can take E. Now the second option here is B is between D and E. B is between D and E. Now here B is between D and E means if we take how here C and G are there, so that we can't take B is between D and E, so that we take E here and see here B is between D and E. B is between D and E means B is between D and E. What is the remaining value here? We get all the 6 values. Now the remaining value here is A, so that we get the value here is A. In this way we can find the circular seating arrangement. Now we have to see the values here. First, which of the following is false? A is fourth to the right of E. A is fourth to the right of E. See here, for E, A is fourth to the right of E. Right of E means 1, 2, 3, 4. Now E, this it satisfies the value. E is fourth to the right of A. Okay. Now F is third to the right of T. F is third. F is third to the right of T. F is third to the right of T. See here, it is not T. F is third to the right of. Now here given F is the third to the right of D. F is third to the right of D means it is left is here, right is here. 1, 2, 3. Now right of D is C. But here given right of D is F. So that its value doesn't satisfy. This is a wrong statement. Which of the following is false? Is means B is a false statement. Now we have to see which is the true. C is the fourth to the left of B. C is the fourth to the left of B. Where B is there? B is there. Now C is the fourth to the left of B. Left of B. Okay. C is the fourth to the left of B means right this side, left this side. Now C is the fourth to the left of B means 1, 2, 3. Now it is in the third position. Okay. So that it doesn't satisfy. Okay. It doesn't satisfy. Now A is the immediate right of G. A is the immediate right of G. See here G right is A. A is the immediate right of G. So this value is satisfied. G for G ki right side lo A undi kabatti A is the immediate right of G. Okay. What then has the middle person sitting between remaining two? The middle person sitting between remaining two means D E B. D E B. D E B. This doesn't satisfy. Okay. Again G D B. G D B. D is sitting between both of them. G is G D B. G D B. D is sitting between both the terms. Okay. Here G D B means D is sitting between both the terms. So that this value satisfies. Here D E B. D E B means D E B. Now E is not sitting between both of them. So that this value doesn't satisfy. Okay. Now second is now here in this first question B is the correct. B is the false statement. Second question B is the right statement. Third question B is the right statements. Okay, thank you guys. If you liked this video, please subscribe. Okay.